Okay, so for today's math lesson, we're going to be doing Chapter 9, Lesson 5, and this is a problem-solving investigation, in which we're going to be using the working backwards strategy to try to figure out our answer. Okay, so let's look at the question. Nathan used some flour for a cake recipe. He used 1/4 of a bag of flour for a bread recipe. There is 2/4 of a bag left. What fraction of the bag did Nathan use for the cake? Okay, so first we have to ask ourselves, what facts do we know? Well, Nathan used some flour for a cake recipe, some, so we don't know how much flour he used for the cake. And blank of the bag for the bread recipe. Well, it says right here that he used 1/4 of the bag of flour for the bread recipe. So we have 1/4 for the bread recipe, and he has blank of the bag left. It says there is 2/4 of the bag left. So we know that. Don't know that. Well, what do they want us to find out? You should always, especially when doing word problems, you always need to ask yourself, what do we need to find out? So, what do we need to find? Find the fraction of the bag of flour that was used for what fraction of the bag did Nathan use for the cake? So we need to find out how much he used for the cake. Okay? So I will work backward to solve the problem. So we're going to go ahead and, well, they've done it for us, but you would be drawing some models out or using some models. So we know that there's 1/4 for the bread. That's right here. We know that there's 2/4 left. So how much do we have for the cake? Well, we know because the denominator is 4 that there's 4 total parts. So we have 1/4 bread, 1/4 flour, and 1/4 for the cake, because we need 4 parts to make a whole. Remember, whenever the numerator and the denominator are the same, that is one whole because all of the parts are there. So we know that 1/4 of the bag of flour was used for the cake. Does this answer make sense? Explain. Yes, it does make sense, because if I just looked at all of these parts and added them, I would have 1/4 plus 2/4 for the flour, plus, I'm going to check 1/4, and that equals 1 whole. So that's one there. So I know that 1/4 is correct. Okay, so let's practice this strategy again. We're going to continue to work backwards. Lily, Noah, and Kaylee are sharing pizza. Noah ate 2/6 of the pizza. Kaylee ate 1/6 of the pizza, and there is 2/6 of the pizza left. What fraction of pizza did Lily eat? Okay, well, we know that there are 6 total pieces of pizza because the denominator is 6. We know that Noah ate 2/6. We know that Kaylee ate 1/6, and there is 2/6 left. Okay? What we need to find out is what fraction of the pizza did Lily eat? So how much pizza did Lily eat? That's what we need to find out. Okay? So I'm going to make a plan. I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to work backwards and draw models to help me solve my problem. Okay? So I'm going to solve it. So, like I said, I know there's 6 total parts, okay? So Noah okay, so I know that, could have drawn like pizza too. I know that Noah ate 2/6. So there's 1/6 and 1/6. That's what Noah ate. I know that Kaylee ate 1/6. Okay, that's what Kaylee ate. I know also that there's 2/6 left. 1/6 and 1/6 left. This was Kaylee and this was Noah. I probably should have drawn that a little better. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I didn't really draw this that great. So how much did Lily eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that Lily ate 1/6. Okay, because we have to have 6 total parts. Okay, so Lily ate 1/6 of the pizza. And does it make sense? Well, if I add it all up, 2/6 of Noah plus Kaylee 1/6 plus how many parts were left? 2/6 plus Lily 1/6. Remember, we only add the numerators. So if I go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that equals 1 whole pizza. So, yes, I'm correct.